Hello friends, let us discuss the concept of class plus 2 chapter 6 application of derivative. In previous chapter we discussed about the derivative in science, social science and many fields. But how to find the application? We can use them to determine the rate of quantities, means what is a change in quantity. Second, to find the equation of tangent and normal. Next, to find the turning point of the given graph, how to locate the points. Now, let us discuss first concept, rate of change of quantities. Let y is equal to f of x be a function of x, then delta x be the increment in x corresponding to which delta y be the change in y, then delta y upon x represents the average rate of y with respect to x. So dy upon dx is equal to limit delta x approaches to 0 means change in derivation. This is known as delta y upon delta x. With respect to x is there, so that's why delta x approaches to 0. Rate of change of y with respect to x. Which things you are taking with respect to, that thing you will take downside. If you are saying with respect to time, then you will take dt. Means according to that, with respect to x, time, whatever you are taking, then according to that you will take downside. Now your first question, let us discuss. Find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to r when r is given. You know area of a circle. You know circle you got, area you got, and area of circle is pi r square. You have to differentiate with respect to r. So dA upon dr is equal to, you know pi is constant, I kept same. R square's derivative, you know firstly base will come, its power will be reduced. So you got this, r is given 5, I put, so you got 10 pi. But centimeter square, why? Because area is here. Second question is, an edge of a variable cube, figure is cube, is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Means your edge is increasing at the rate of this. Increasing means positive. How fast is the volume of cube increasing with edge 10 centimeter long? You know figure is cube, so let x be the edge of cube, v be the volume of cube. So one thing is given to you, edge increasing at the rate. Whenever nothing is given, so you will take always t. Rate word, increasing word is given, will you take t. So dx upon dt, why I have taken dx? Because I have taken to edge x. Edge of cube is increasing at the rate, so that's why this is given. But you have to find its volume, change in volume. So you know firstly, means you have to find dv upon dt. Yes, when edge is 10 centimeter, x is given to you 10. Now you know volume of cube is x cube. Differentiate with respect to time, because according to that you will take dv upon dt, 3x square dx upon dt. So dv upon dt will keep it same, 3x square dx upon dt is your 3. So I put the value of x also, that is given 900 centimeter cube per second. Why I have taken a one thing to increasing, secondly it is a volume, so that's why centimeter per cube. Next is second also I have taken because of time. Next, the surface area of a spherical bubble is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per second. Means surface area किस फिगर का, spherical bubble means sphere. Find the rate at which volume of bubble is increasing at radius. Means r is given. One thing to surface areas they are talking. Second is volume. We have taken, let S be the surface area, V be the volume, R is a 6. And in your first line it is given कि your surface area is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeters square per second. So, with the rate. So I have taken with T. Now you have to find the surface area of bubble, because we will use it. A is equal to 4 pi r square. You know the surface area. Differentiate with respect to time, ds upon dt. Now 4 pi will remain same, r's derivative 2r, so it will become 8 pi r. dr upon dt, because time is there, whenever we are taking about with respect to r, then we will not write. So you know this is 2, so divide it. You are getting dr upon dt is your 1 upon 4 pi r. But you have to find the volume of bubble. You will take volume of sphere, then with respect to time you will take, so its derivative 3r square dr upon dt. I put this value, dr upon dt we already calculated. I put cancellation will be there, r will left, then we put r. What is given to you? R is given to you 6 centimeter cube per second. This is increasing at the rate, so volume is there, that's why I have kept with the cubing and second also. So your next question is, I hope you are getting. Fourth question is, a particle moves along curve, means a particle moves along curve is this. Find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing at 8 times as fast as x coordinate. Y coordinate changing word is there, it means with respect to it is given. Means 8 times means multiplication with respect to x coordinate. Now firstly what is given to you? Differentiate with respect to x time, differentiate with respect to time, because it is not given ki with respect to time, you have to take it with respect to time only. So 6 dy upon dt, 3x square dx upon dt, 2 is your constant, so I didn't take. So dy upon dt is equal to 3x square upon 6 dx upon dt. I cancelled. And you know this is given to you with respect to time 8 times. So I put the value of this here and I solved. You know this will be cancelled. It will become 2 into 8 equal to x square. It will become 4 square equal to x square. In this manner you will get the values of x plus minus 4, because whenever you have to cancel square it will leave plus minus. Because whenever you are taking x equal to 4, then what is your y? We are putting here to find the value y. Similarly with the minus 4 we put the values. You got these coordinates that you want, find the points on the curve. So you got whenever you are putting minus 4 you are getting y this. Next question is, if area of circle increases at uniform rate, means figure is your circle, area is increasing at uniform rate means constant. Proof that the perimeter varies inversely as radius. So let us take r be the radius, because you know ki in these two you must have a r. So a be the area, p be the perimeter at any time t, because it is not given, always you will take t then. Yes, area of circle is this, perimeter is this, and dA upon dt is equal to k I have taken, because it is increasing at the uniform rate. I have taken k with the constant positive k. Now you know ki A is equal to pi r square. Yes, so always you will use that concept which is given to you. Clear? Means area you will take firstly, but you have to find perimeter. Firstly use that value. dA upon dt, 2 pi r dr upon dt. We will put value here and divide it. You will get dr upon dt. Now you know you have to find the perimeter. dp upon dt, 2 pi, it will become dr upon dt. We will put value here. And you want k upon you are getting. And why it is hence proved, I have written why. Proof that perimeter varies changing inversely as radius. Yes, you are getting r in inverse. So I hope you are getting what is given here. Next question is, two equal sides of an isosceles triangle with the fixed base b. Means isosceles triangle is given, its two sides must be equal and base is given to you b. But I have taken two equal sides x and with the base b, that is given, we are bound. And it is given ki fixed base b are decreasing at the rate of d 3 centimeter per second. Means your base db upon dt is equal to minus because of decreasing at 3 centimeter per second. Now I have taken PB is perpendicular bisector on QR. So this is 90 degree. I am applying Pythagoras theorem to get PB because concept of area is here. So PQ square equal to QB square plus PB square. This is your X. This is full is B. It is a perpendicular bisector, so you half part B by 2, B by 2. I put QB. PB you have to calculate. Signs will be altered. So square will become its square root. Now you know you have to find area. So area of triangle is half into base into height. Base is your QR, height is your PB. Half into B is base, height is your this one. Yes, now we are taking the differentiate with respect to time. You know half will remain same, B will remain same, no problem. But hex is here, so you will take firstly deduct its power. 1 by 2 will become here. Yes, 1 by 2 will become, then means like I am solving, it will remain same. Its power is 1 by 2, so it will come down firstly. X square minus B square upon 4. Its power is 1 by 2, means you will deduct one power firstly, take its LCM, minus 1 by 2 you will get, and take the derivation of inside also. We are using up to yet power only. 2x and inside it will become 0. So 2 will be cancel. In above side you will get bx upon 2 and root, same thing, because minus 1 raised to power 2 is here. We have taken in denominator, so negative will be removed and it will become its square root. And dx upon dt you will take, you know, because with respect to time is going, that is given minus t. So we are putting here minus 3bx 2 and root x square minus b square upon 4. So when it is given, when two equal sides are equal to base, means two equal sides x and x equal to base, means b is equal to, you have given x. dA upon dt is equal to, I put in place of x b, then I taken the LCM. Yes, you are getting 3b square, root will 3 will remain same, but b square is there, square will cancel with the root. 4 will come out, it will become 2, so I cancelled. You know 3 can be written as 2 times root 3. 1 will cancel, it will be negative of b. You know ki this is area decreasing, you are also getting negative sign, and this is area, so I have kept square with the centimeter. So your last question is total cost as C of x is given. Total cost means expenditure on the production of units. Find MC. MC where 3 units are produced and x are units. Listen one thing. What is MC? MC means marginal cost. Marginal cost is the change in total cost whenever we are producing more or less elements. Means change in total cost due to change in quantity. So that's why we will find what is given TC. MC is the relative change in TC with respect to items. I have taken its LCM, you know, with respect to, I have taken, it will become your MC. With respect to, I told this is with items. Items means change in units. Units, what is there? X. So D, it will become MC, but you will not write with respect to T here. So it will be taken. Then x is given to you 3, I put here, and after solving you will get the value of, I hope you are getting this your answer.